Yeah.
Did you need to deal with existential fear and suffering like that through contemplation, through your contemplation?
I've experienced some fear, yeah. So what's your...
Yeah, just asking about your...
Sure. Yeah, I've had... So I remember like way back, at least one time where it's like so I was working like, who am I, what am I? And stuff kept coming up, and I would be like, it felt like there was something there. I'm like, I don't know about this. So, maybe some fears. I'm like, I might not be good. And so, yeah, I would, because I was thinking about that a little bit when you asked your question. Some things that have been helpful for me is like, be willing to face that, whatever it is, be willing. Like, okay, it might be an uncomfortable experience. I'm willing. Whatever, kill me. If you die, we'll bury you. No, your body is pretty tough, so you're not going to die. You just might feel that way. Maybe. I don't know. But it can be scary. So let's see. What did I do about that? Take some... Well, I think what Peter responded with was great, where you already are what you are. And you're doing just fine. And you've been doing fine for decades. Like, it's already true. Yeah. You see? So if, so you can take some solace in that perhaps, and also, other people have gone before you and they're fine too. And the stuff that, it can also be that the stuff that, the fear is like a wall. It seems to me, can be like a wall. And once I'm on the other side, the thing I was afraid of is known now, so there's no fear about that. And the fear seems to me to serve like a protection mechanism. Yeah. Don't go there, don't go there, don't go there. I don't go there. But it can be for unknown reasons.
Yeah, it seems like sometimes I cross it and it's gone. And creeps back.
Yeah. Then there's likely something that the fear is relating to. You see, and the thing, in my experience, and again, just take this maybe with a grain of salt, or just have some openness about what I'm saying. Don't fix what I'm saying as like it's this way, and it must be this way for you, because I don't know what's going on with you particularly. But I had something to say. It's gone. It'll probably come back. You're afraid. Say what you said again.
I don't remember.
Sometimes it goes away, but then it comes back. Oh, thank you. Good. Ha 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 ha. Good. Oh no. No. Come on. And then it goes away again. Say it again.
Sometimes I go over it, and then
it creeps back in. The thing that the fear is relating to is not likely fear. There's no fear at the thing.
Okay.
It's like I'm afraid of something. I'm afraid of this. But here, like inside here, there's no fear. The fear is my reaction to it. So you can consider that fear as like a reaction to something that is not itself fear. Maybe pain. And like what Peter said, I thought was pretty good. There's like two things. It's either going to be pain or death. We can rule out death, so probably some kind of pain. And that seems to bear out in my experience as well. So then, what do you do about that? Well, you can be willing to experience discomfort. It may be something uncomfortable that you're not willing to share. Go ahead, if you need to. I'm not going to say you have to, because the contemplation is wide open. What are you with fear or without? What are you in either case? See, and now if stuff does come up over and over again, you do stand on that you have not communicated it fully. Now, sometimes, like I have had times where I've been in contemplation, it's like, I don't know about this, what I'm about to communicate. I'm like, fuck it, here we go. Blah, 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 blah. It's this big, I feel like this, it's this embarrassing, I did these things, blah, 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 bam, I really think I am this. Get specific, here it is, warts and all, whatever. Yeah. And again, I don't know what you have going on, so I don't want to also push your minds in one certain direction of maybe it's embarrassing or it's painful or whatever. It's just whatever's true. Yeah? How's that? Yeah. Sometimes courage is useful. And also not being swayed by the feelings. Yes, the feelings can be powerful. Can do, or not. And the feelings might be like, something really bad is here. It's okay, it's okay. It might not feel okay.
It definitely doesn't.
Yeah. And so that's, but just whatever's true. And you can be open to if you're open to whatever's true and you're willing to experience anything, likely the fear will dissipate. And then maybe get on the other side of it or reveal. But again, what are you? Fear, no fear. Pain, no pain. It's what you are. It's what you are already. And just grasp that.
Thanks.
Yeah.